everyone. My name is Ilya with Golden View Renovation. I'm happy and proud to present you our full home remodel final product here in San Carlos, California. The project was created by Team Golden View with our amazing designer, Alexandra, and myself as a project manager. Welcome, everyone.
Welcome to the kitchen. We implemented here a lot of storage solutions, all high-tech materials, very practical, and also, as you see, style is very modern and clean. We have a 2-centimeter edge for the countertop. It's a Decton finish, so it's heat resistant and stain resistant. The cooktop is located on the island, and we selected induction cooktop with a very powerful hood. We also implemented pendant lights for more of the seating area, so it's more casual. It's very comfortable to cook here. As you can see, double sink is exactly in front of the cooktop. All the upper cabinets have under cabinet lights and also integrated handles. As you can see, it's really easy to open. All the storage is the upper cabinets for your spatulas, spices rack, and the bottom drawers will be more for the pots and pans. All the ovens and microwave and steam oven are located in this area, and we implemented the tall cabinets to make the space looking nicer. Very practical to cook. And you will ask me, where is the fridge? Fridge will be here. Also integrated doors. And you can see we implemented the same finish as the whole kitchen. This is a primary bathroom. We did a long vanity with a double sink. Sinks are vessel sinks with a wall mount faucets. The fluted oak wood with the big drawers for the storage. And LED mirror matching the window size on the top. This is a very unique setup because we wanted to implement also the shower and also the tub. So we have a drop-in tub built in with the tiles, full shower set and drop-in tub with a waterfall spout.